Hey guys, so what we're going to be doing today is we are going to be learning how to use Slack for OnwardUS. So Slack is an inter-office communication app. It could be used on a web browser or it can be used on an application. You could download it on Mac or Windows, it does not matter. So first things first is we want to see if we got an invitation toward the Slack channel. You should get an email just like this from some management within OnwardUS, and you should definitely click that join now button. It'll then prompt you to type in your email and password, and you want to do so. After you type in all of your information and get your account set up, you're gonna look at something just like this. So it's gonna be on the left-hand section, all your channels and direct messages. In the middle, your feed, and this is gonna be a section that slides in and out depending on what you click. So first thing you wanna do when you get onto Slack is you wanna create your profile. So you're gonna click up here, OnwardUS in your name, and you're gonna go to View Profile. That'll slide out right here on the right-hand side, and we're gonna wanna click Edit Profile and update all of our information. We want to update with a name, a professional name that you wanna use as you would use in an office setting or anything like that. And we also wanna upload an image just so that way it's easier for us to put faces to the names and make it easier for communication within teams, okay? Last thing you want to put on here is your job title. So if you are a data enter, you're going to want to put data enter. If you are a team zone leader, you're going to want to put team zone leader. Whatever you do for OnwardUS, you're going to want to put right here in what I do. Okay. After you've entered all that information, you're going to want to click Save Changes, and that will update this information right here for you. Okay. And so there are a couple different features to Slack. There are channels and there are direct messages. So channels are more used for team communication. So we use them for groups of people to basically help each other out with resources, answer questions, or to even just encourage each other and tell each other good job. So for the first channel right here, #1 training resources, we're gonna want to use this channel. If you scroll all the way to the top of every channel, it tells you what the description of what this channel is for. So this will be all training resources will be here to support and facilitate onboarding. So I, Alex Rodriguez, will be in charge of the training resources channel where I communicate with you guys. If you guys have questions about onboarding, I will be making more videos like this to help you guys out and posting them on here. This channel is going to be mostly used to basically ask questions about how to do certain things, technical issues, or anything like that. Every channel has a specific purpose, and we want to use it according to the purpose in the description. And if you happen to need anything that you don't want to put in a big channel and you want to keep it more private, or it's something that you need to, it needs to only specifically be conveyed to one person, we do that in the direct messages. So when you go into the direct messages, you're going to get a box that looks like this, and you're going to want to pick the specific person you want to direct message. So if you want to message me per se, you would type in my name. My display name is Alex, and you want to click on this and say, "Hey Alex, how's it going?" And I will then be notified right here. There will be a little 1 that comes up, and then I will be able to get back to you as soon as possible. Okay. And next thing we want to do is when we're communicating in a channel and we want to specifically tell somebody, but we think this information might be important that everybody sees it, but only one person needs to respond to it, is we want to @ that person. So if I was talking to me, I would say @Alex, and it'll look like this, a little @ sign highlighted in my display name. You then want to put whatever information that you want to put, or question or concern or anything like that, and that will also notify me and send me a direct notification that I have been specifically added within the specific channel. A brief overview is Slack is an inter-office communication app that we use to help each other with resources, encourage each other, and as well as stay organized and stay on task and keep each other updated on what the goals and the achievements are of the day. If you have any more questions, like I said, I am in charge of training resources. So just at me or throw it in here and I will address it as soon as possible. Thank you.